What's up, guys? Kalen Bryant here, back at you with another video. Let's fix the camera here. And in this video, I'm going to give my honest review as well as a tutorial on how you can use SpinRewriter 9.0. SpinRewriter 9.0 just launched on today, and today's October 4th, the day I'm shooting this video. Just launched, and the creator of SpinRewriter is Aaron Sustar. Okay, he has a weird accent, but he seems like he's a legit guy and pretty trustworthy. But SpinRewriter is a program basically where you can take articles that are already written, that have already been ranking on Google or whatever article you want to take it from. You plug it into SpinRewriter, this program that has a sophisticated algorithm, and with that algorithm, it basically rewrites the article that's already written to where it's kind of, maybe some people might say it's plagiarizing, or maybe not, right? So let's go ahead and get right into the computer so I can show you SpinRewriter and show you how you can use it, and just give my honest review, and you can see it before you even purchase SpinRewriter. Okay, you can see the back office, you can see the tool, you can see it in how it works, how you can use it. Alright, guys, so here we are in the computer. So here is spinrewriter.com. Okay, I already have my account, but I'm going to set up a new account. Well, not set up a new account, but I'm going to act as though I do not have an account, okay? So let me log out here. Okay, log out. So here's SpinRewriter, right? SpinRewriter.com. The creator of SpinRewriter is Aaron Sustar. And if you were to check out my link below, you'll basically be sent to a sales page like this. Now, the sales page that I have has little more than this, so you probably see a little more detail, and you see the offers a little more. Here is the yearly plan for $197, but like I said before getting into the computer, if you use my link, you'll get it for $77 per month. This is basically not per month, $77 a year. And so it's basically a discount for you, tremendous discount. So make sure you get that, and it's a 5-day free trial that you'll get using my link below, right? So if you want to use, my internet keeps going out. Bear with me 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. And go. There it is. So you want to go to claim my free access. And then here we go. So free for 5 days. And then it's only $77 a year, instead of the $197 a year membership. So, but you have to get it right now. It's since it just launched, you get the 60% discount. It depends on when you're watching this video. If you're watching this video when the launch period is over, then you might not be able to get this deal. So get it while it lasts, guys. It's not like a sales pitch. I'm just trying to help you out with my honest review. They also have a lifetime tier. It was $497 with single payment. You get unlimited articles. You get, which means when it says unlimited articles, that means you can rewrite unlimited articles. The spinning algorithm, bulk spinning and mass support, sentence and paragraph leveling. So it's basically, you get the same thing here as you get in the yearly membership. It's just that one single time payment. So it's going to take a couple of years to make up the $497. So to me, it makes the most sense to get this yearly $77 a year membership while it lasts. But when it goes to the $197 a year, you might want to just go ahead and go for the $497. It's up to you and your budget. You can also use a $47 limit. You just don't get the bonuses with the monthly $47 a month tier. Okay. If you choose the yearly, you'll get free access for 5 days. Put your email and 5 days free. It will take you to PayPal, right? You got to have a PayPal account. Then you basically manage your subscription through PayPal. So take it to PayPal and says, yes, I agree to the subscription. So then after 5 days, then you'll be charged the $77 for the entire year. So you can check it out for 5 days. If you don't like it, go back to PayPal and cancel your subscription within the 5 days, and you will not be charged. Okay. So after you sign up for SpinRewriter and you're in the system in the back office, here's what it looks like, right? You have your account. This is me, log out and whatnot. So you have my account. So it's basically your email address, just a little bit, it's not really much there. Just I forgot my password. Yeah, I remember, register for free, so not much there. You can register here. You can also upgrade if you so desire. It's not there. Let's see. They have different levels, and there's a gold level. Let me see if I can find it. Let me find it. Bear with me 1 second. No. Anyway, there's multiple levels here. Oh, it locked me out. That's why I can't see the levels. Here it is. So you have a gold membership, exclusive area. So you get it's like a VIP content service, iPhone and Android apps. So you get a little bit more with the gold membership. They will upsell you when you go and try to sign up for the yearly offer for free 5 days. They will upsell you, of course, to the gold membership, this bonus, that bonus, upgrade to. They will upsell you. Okay, so be prepared for that. You can, if you want to take advantage of the upsells, go ahead and do that. But this is just a basic account. I did not go for any upsells. This is not a gold membership account, just a regular account. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into how you use Rewriter. Okay, I was using it earlier, so I'm going to ignore this draft, the draft that I had, and just go as a complete newbie. Okay, so step 1 is to rewrite a single article. So basically what you do is, let's say for instance, I already have one up for this video, for the purpose of this video. Let's say you want to write an article on effective tips to lose belly fat, right? Some kind of article that helps readers or viewers, if you're using it as a YouTube description, to lose belly fat that is backed by science, right? And this is a pretty legit and accredited site, right? Healthline.com. It's pretty much has great facts on here, and you can basically take this article, right? Copy and paste. Just copy this article here. I'm just using from here to the first one, eat plenty of soluble fiber. And I'm going to just copy, Control C, and then paste it into the article area here, right? So here's the article that I just took from healthline.com. And basically it's just simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Basically what Spin Rewriter does is it just spins around and rewrites this article using synonyms for different words, like nuisance. What's a synonym from nuisance? Or harmful, or referred, or major, or organizations, or health, or metabolic. Say it takes these words and with using its algorithm, it takes synonyms and replaces these words that Healthline is using, and then just rewrites it for your purpose so that you can use it. Not only does it take the synonyms of certain words, it also rewrites or rephrases the sentences but it will still make sense. So don't worry about that. It rephrases sentences so that it's not plagiarism and that it is not raising your red flags basically when you post this article on another site like your own or on another editorial journal. Okay. So after you have your article that you want to rewrite, paste it in step 1. Before you do start writing or one-click rewrite, go to settings here. This is key when you want to start ranking, when you need to rank your articles, right? When you click on settings, you basically want to, I'll keep these settings up here the same, but the only thing that you want to do is you want to protect certain keywords in Spin Rewriter, okay? Because there's certain words in this article that you want to rank for, right? So the article is about losing belly fat. You don't want Spin Rewriter to use synonyms for belly or fat, right? Those are keywords you want to rank for. So if Spin Rewriter comes in and use synonyms for these keywords, then it's like you will no longer rank for them because Spin Rewriter would use something different just so they can not be copyrighted as much as possible, plagiarized as much as possible from this healthline.com, right? So if I don't want Spin Rewriter to use synonyms for belly or fat, I'll post them here in the protected keywords. So all these words that I paste down here are protected, and I do not want belly fat. I do not want SpinRewriter to change them, okay? Or body mass index, or let's say let's pick one more. Let's do lose. Okay, so we basically have belly fat lose. Okay, so we don't want SpinRewriter. We do not want SpinRewriter to replace these words within our article. Okay, so after we have that, we can say start rewriting. So SpinRewriter is analyzing all suitable synonyms for your article, and then after it's done, it'll give us our lovely new and improved article. Now, don't be afraid. Once it starts, it'll basically give you it'll basically give you everything that has been changed. Okay, so you double click a word and see the synonyms. The suggested synonym, right? More than, even more, additional, much more, right? Or referred to, pertained, recommended. Then let me go back. I gotta do one click rewrite. You can do it all over. You do it as many times as you want to, right? Bam. So now here's what happened. This is the SpinRewriter like syntax, is what they call it. It's just basically a sophisticated word that says the algorithm work. This is like the algorithm's language that it's going to use, right? This is not what you're going to paste in your article or post, right? So after you have that and it's done, 99% uniqueness. So the 99% uniqueness says that this article, using the synonyms that SpinRewriter has chosen, or says that this article is unique. There's nothing else like it on the internet. So this is uniqueness, billions of possible versions. This is 99% unique. So it will not be flagged for plagiarism, right? So after you have that, like I said, you're not going to copy and paste what's here. You're going to finalize the article. So they're compressing and uploading your final article. So this is, again, your article in Spintax format, right? And then you'll generate a unique version, and bam, here it is. This is the content, word for word, of what you will be using for your article, right? So remember this belly, fat, some of our words. I think it says tummy fat here, so that wasn't changed. But a lot of the words here are still the same, like as far as belly and fat. You still have a lot of those and still in the article. So that's it. And basically what you'll do is you can either go to copy. If you have Copyscape, you can use Copyscape. I don't have it. Use Copyscape to make sure it runs through them. So Copyscape basically says this is not plagiarized. This is unique. And again, this is 94% uniqueness using the SpinRewriter. Fix grammar and spelling. You need another software, Perfect Tense, there, where you can fix spelling, grammar and spelling. But then you can preview it. But before we preview it, you can also post to WordPress. So SpinRewriter has added the WordPress option to their program. So if you want to go directly from SpinRewriter to WordPress instead of copy and paste, you can do that also. And then you can, of course, export it. And then export it to another file or save it, right? So let's preview it here. And this is a preview of our text. Okay. Another thing that you can do that's really good in SpinRewriter is you can, if you would like to, you can further improve the uniqueness of your article by adding images as well as adding videos. Okay, so let's say we want to add a video right here in our article. So we'll fetch relevant videos. Let's say our primary keyword is lose belly. Can't spell right now. Belly fat. Fetch videos. Bam! Look at that. 5 simple steps to lose belly fat fast. This is a good one. Let's say we want to use that one, right? We select that video and then we say insert video. And then SpinRewriter will insert that video where we want it. After it's done, it's still loading. Give it some time to think. Loading, loading, loading. Come on. So as that's loading, guys, and that makes, once you load that video, and if you can also load images, it makes your article even that more unique, okay? So it'll load, it'll basically put the hyperlink in here, and so that when you paste your article, it'll just show the video thumbnail, so that when your viewer sees it, all they do is click on the video and they can watch it, okay? So that's SpinRewriter. Like I said, SpinRewriter is a pretty legit program, looks like to me. If you're going to use it, if you really see a need for it in your business. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it gave you some good valuable content, or gave you pretty much a gist of what to expect from SpinRewriter, and also how to use it. Like I said in the video and on the computer, it looks like it's a pretty legit program that you can really use it in your business, for if you're writing articles for your blog, or if you're writing a video, a description for a YouTube video. Let's say, for like an example, it was lose belly fat or tips to lose belly fat. Let's say you have a fitness channel and you're, having videos on how to lose belly fat or tips to do that. You can basically take a YouTube video that has millions of views, take their description, and then use SpinRewriter and then rewrite the description and paste it into your description for your video, right? And it helps you rank in Google or in YouTube. So SpinRewriter looks pretty good. If you want to check it out, like I said, get the 5-day free trial using my link below. It'll be the first link in the description, as well as take advantage of the 60% off of $77 a year while it lasts during the launch period. After that, it goes up to $197 a year. That you'll have to pay, okay? Keep track of that thing. But thanks for checking this video out, guys. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down, or comment below. If you have SpinRewriter, comment below and let us know if it's being useful to you, if you like it, the program, or if you don't like the program and what you don't like about it or what you like about it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, okay? Because I'm coming out with more reviews. And I'm coming out with more videos teaching you how to build a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, okay? Thanks for watching. Peace.